Hi, I'm Melanie Cassie from MC & Co Chartered Accountants.
Hi, my name is Wally from 2080 Solutions.
I'm hopeful that today we'll be able to present a great session for the attendees, and what they'll take away is the ability to make sure their structures are correct, their tax is minimised, and that we can demonstrate how their practice can actually create the personal wealth they need to retire. If you buy a practice for, let's say, $600,000, let's pick a figure out of the air for a moment. To build that to $1 million is probably unlikely unless you buy other practices or do something fairly significant out of that space.
My intention today is to make sure the participants get to learn a little bit about marketing.
Make them feel special for referring you.
And most importantly, not be overwhelmed, but to actually walk away with some kind of action items.
Record a very short video about something you just talked about, while it's still fresh in your mind.
So they can actually implement one or two things for their practice in order for them to grow.
My name's Dr. Derek Holder. I've just been to a talk from Wally and Melanie, and it was very informative. I've learned a lot. It's always great to hear from experts in their field.
I'm glad that I actually got the chance to attend this workshop today. The information we got was very helpful to our business, especially as a new business.
Well, I think it's very informative and entertaining. A lot of new contents that I haven't heard before. So Wally talks about video marketing, about fresh content, and about how to engage potential clients. And I can think quite a few potential examples that I can do, and I can engage my clients.
I really loved the presentation that was given by Wally, giving tips about videos, how to market, how to handle some negative reviews and positive reviews as well.
I think the most important thing I got out of today is that you actually need to push yourself, step out of your comfort zone to do things that's unique to help your business grow.
Melanie also mentioned a few taxation issues which has captured my attention. I've spoken to her afterwards and she's given very sound advice. So yeah, I got a lot out of it today actually. Yeah. So thank you for having us.